Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how we can share our Windows files or folders to our uh, Mac OS, which is installed through our virtual machine VMware. So come to Mac OS. Here we can find network in the finder. So here you can see the Windows user. Through this we can connect to our Windows machine. So here it is already connected. You will see this kind of like connect as screen. When you click on it, it will prompt you username and password, which is of Windows user. So here I'm providing my username and password and hitting enter. So here we can see shared folders or files, but here only we can able to access users files. But if we want to share our required folder, then we have to follow this. Open your finder file explorer in Windows machine. I have created a folder called sharing folder and I just dropped a file in it. So now I want to share this folder. So if you observe, we can't able to see this sharing folder here. So to do this, we are going to right click on this sharing folder, show more, select properties. Here you can observe sharing tab. Through this we can share this on this advanced sharing. Here you need to tick this sharing folder and click on this permissions. Here you can enable like everyone, both permission. If you want to provide, you can select full control and click on apply and OK, then close and check once if the connection is if sharing folder is there or not. We will reconnect. See, now you can see sharing folder and we are getting this file inside this sharing folder. So in this way we can share files between Windows and virtual machine. I hope this video helps you. If you find value in this video, please like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.